How to remove the lock screen, PIN or password. First, let's go back into your device and then swipe down at the top and tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. From here, tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Now enter in the current PIN and tap on Continued. Next, to remove all pins and password, tap on None, then tap on Remove Data, tap on Removed, and then now go to your lock screen and you can see this time it is no longer locked. So that's how you can remove PIN or password on your lock screen. You can also set it to swipe as well. So we go back into lock screen and AOD and then select swipe. So that way you can go back to your lock screen, but you don't need to enter in the PIN or password to unlock your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.